What's up, guys? With most of your common electric golf carts, if you lift up the seat right here, you'll notice, like, this happens to be a lithium ion battery one, but most of your golf carts that are electric, they will have a switch right there. Up means run, meaning for driving normally, but down is for towing or coasting it. You know, if you're trying to roll it to get it out of the way of something, or if you've had a problem with yours and you're trying to have it towed to get it up on a trailer or something like that, you'll flip that switch down in tow mode. Okay, so make sure you do that if you ever have to tow your electric golf cart. Other carts have them too, but this specific one just happens to be a lithium onward model. So always put it in tow if you're having the car rolled or towed or pulled, that sort of thing, and then switch it back to run if you're going to park it, or once you get it up on a trailer or a truck or however you're transporting it. But yeah, definitely do not tow this thing in run mode. You know, if it's down, if something's wrong with it, if it's not running properly, do not tow it in run mode. And if you're in North Atlanta, Georgia area and you're looking for a club car dealer, look, I'll show you a link down below, but look for Golf Cars of Canton, Georgia, about 45 minutes north of Atlanta. They're one of the top club car dealers in Metro Atlanta, and they service them and pickup and delivery offered as well. So check them out. Look for the social media links in the description. You'll have a good day.